Don't.
Let me go, and I will go outside away from my dad. No, let me go.
I need your ID.
Look, you're an adult.
Hey. Now you're going to jail. Now you're going to stop him. Stop. Stop. And it won't hurt.
Hello friends, Squink here, former cop, future Starbucks latte foam artist, here to use my law enforcement experience to break down another video and to answer the question that everyone wants to know, which is, what the hell are the cops doing? Let's get into it. Today's video comes from Midwest Safety. Woman goes nuts after getting fired. All right, I've never been fired, but going nuts after doing so and the police getting called usually means you went pretty nuts, just like a squirrel. All right, here we go. Never seen it. Walking in blindly. Let's do it.
So what's it all about?
He told me to wipe off a button and clear our screen.
Okay.
And then he want to write me up.
Does she currently work here? Or?
No, she I've been working here. Ain't nobody ever did that. So why everybody out in B have to do that?
You fired her today?
First it was
Okay.
first
You just want her to leave?
Then it was
Okay. Is she allowed to come back?
Her name was Trish.
So how did we get from?
He picked it. First it was an old lady that worked here. Her name was Jill. Then it was another girl who worked here. Her name was Trish.
Okay.
Then it was another dude who worked there. Her name was Pee Wee. Then
Pee-wee?
it was my sister Aubrey. And then
Pee-wee's-
it was
Nice.
I would venture to guess Pee Wee's probably committed some felonies in his time. I've never met a good Pee Wee.
So how did we get from him asking you to do something, you getting upset, to now them claiming that you're making threats and we come
Didn't
here?
nobody threaten him.
You never threatened anybody or nothing?
No, didn't
She's
threaten
like-
him.
They said they terminated her today, and she needs to leave the property and not come back.
I'll leave the property as soon as my dad get here.
Everyone needs their parents
No.
here.
Okay, well, we can step outside.
You know why?
You can
It's
go
'cause
out
they
this way
can't
or you
take
go out this way. Whichever
accountability.
your dad said was going to pick you up.
We can go wait somewhere.
For their own actions.
What's your name?
None of your business?
It is, okay.
Because he didn't have to call the police.
Okay, he did. What's your name?
No, he didn't. No, you don't.
Stop.
Don't put your hands on me! Let me go!
You're making this a much bigger deal than
Let
it
me
needs.
go!
Okay, this is a key moment. This is when things start get escalated. And it wasn't because of the cops. It was because of her pulling away, not answering what her name was. They're there for her making threats. That's a crime in this area. That's a crime. That's a crime in most areas. So keep in mind, whatever happens, this is the moment it was escalated by her.
Let me go!
Settle down.
Don't.
Let me go, and I will go outside away from my dad. No, let me go.
I need your ID.
Look, you're an adult.
Hey. Now you're going to jail. Now you're going to stop him. Stop.
Stop! And it won't hurt.
Fuck out. Let me go, bro.
Stop resisting. You're under arrest.
Bro, let me go!
We're past that point.
Oh my fucking god. Fucking ass bitch.
Did you see that lady? She's like, she does this shit all the time, bro. This is who she is. This is why we're here. She knows. She knows the truth.
Got it? I don't think that was necessary to you.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, well,
Can you let me go? You're hurting my arm.
just relax. They can get the handcuffs
They're
on
like,
you, then
these
that's
damn
it. They're
white
not gonna let
girls
go.
and their
Relax.
I
entitlement.
need my phone.
We'll get your stuff.
I need to call my dad.
Okay, well,
Can you stop? You're hurting my damn arm.
please let go of your bag. Thank you. I'll get your phone.
Bro, this one is too tight.
Stop! We can't
No,
do
can you
anything
let
while
me
you're
go?
still fighting us.
Oh my.
And we are not going to let you go. You are under arrest.
Can you guys untie it?
It's actually
When you relax.
No, this one is not.
Okay, stop pulling on it, and it's not going to be so
Can
tight.
I get my phone?
I'll get your phone.
No, I need to call my dad.
You want to call your dad,
No, I need
and if
to call
he's
my
already
dad.
on the way, we'll explain it when he gets here.
Yeah, didn't you say he's already on his way?
We'll get it.
I'm gonna get your phone again.
Popeyes, home of the crazy white girl.
Search real quick.
Anything in your pockets at all?
The van report turned into this. Is your ID in your bag, ma'am?
No, I don't have it on me.
Okay.
Have a seat. We're going to get some information from you.
I don't need to sit down.
How you doing? You have to sit.
You lost that option 2 minutes ago.
Sit down. Take a minute.
I can't sit down. He
You
does
have
this
to.
with everybody.
Okay, the reason she can't sit down is because she realizes, oh, the repercussions of my actions are this. Sitting in the vehicle means I'm going to go to jail, just like they've said I'm going to jail. And I just simply can't accept that. And I need my daddy because I'm still a child deep down inside here.
That's what y'all don't understand.
We will get it figured out. But right here, you need to sit down. You are under arrest. Don't make me drag you into the car. Thank you.
Yummy.
The father is on his way and will show up any minute to add more chaos to this situation.
Oh, good. That's why she's the way she is.
Oh my God.
Because daddy, her whole life, has said,
What is
oh,
your
you
last
did
name?
no wrong. You did no wrong. I'm here to protect
I'm not
you.
telling you guys nothing until my dad here.
How old are you?
They're like
How old are you?
21. I would guess 21 at least.
So we can just take you down to the jail,
For failure to
and then if they
identify.
find out you're a juvenile, then we take you all the way to juvenile.
Not a juvenile.
Okay, so how old are you?
I'm 18.
Okay, what's your last name? Okay, then we'll just take you down to the jail, they'll fingerprint you, and you will stay in jail until you give your name or your fingerprints come back in a few days. Why are you being so difficult with us?
Because you guys are being difficult with me. You guys even want to hear my side of the story.
First of all,
You
this is your
started
side of the story.
screaming
My officer asked
immediately.
you, and then all they wanted you to do was leave and not come back. You did not want to get up and leave. This is a business. They have a right to have someone not on their property. There's other people in there eating and trying to order, and you're yelling. We just wanted you to step
Okay, but you guys don't know the half of Popeyes.
You're right, I
And if you guys did,
You guys don't know the lore of Popeyes.
then you guys probably wouldn't be arresting me.
No, we're arresting you because you were pulling away and going.
No, I wasn't pulling away.
You 100% were, and we have it on video, so it's fine.
Okay.
And you have to give your name because there's a report that you're not allowed back here.
Okay. You guys didn't have no reason to put your hands on me. I freaked out the way I did. Put your hands on me. That's
Do you
why.
think if you would have got up and
The
walked
reason
out
they
like we
put
had to, this would have
their
been
hands
happening?
on her,
I didn't have to get up and walk out.
Yes,
It's
you do.
'cause she
They
didn't
asked you to leave. And
Okay, and I would have got up and walked out. You guys had to pressure me.
we literally said you have to leave and wait for you outside.
I
for
don't
your
know why
dad.
he's arguing with
What's
her.
your last name? First name?
Haley.
Dad was on his way.
Yep.
How long before you think he gets here?
I don't know. He was at work.
Okay.
He's leaving work for his adult female daughter.
She was. She just got terminated today. Now welcome back on the property.
I talked to the complainant. He doesn't want any, he just wants her banned from here. Nothing else. Have you ever been arrested before?
Like when I was like 12.
Oh, what was that for?
And I'm sure daddy bailed you out, huh?
But since you've been an adult, never arrested for anything?
Well, let that one slide. And
So criminal trespass and resisting?
yeah.
The threat was, I'm going to call my dad, he's going to come here and take care of you. That's the only the threat was made. So he doesn't want anything pursued on that. He wants a ban. I didn't get into the criminal trespassing component of it. Because normally it's okay, you need to leave and...
I told her to
Trespass.
leave, but then she didn't, and then she got up to leave, but she wouldn't give her name.
Is that a lesbian cop or just a feminine male cop? Either way, I'm here for it.
Name or ID, so that's when we grabbed her and stopped her. So she was technically walking out. I'm assuming this is Dad here behind you. Hello.
Can't wait.
What's going on up here?
This cuff was hurting my wrist. Like I had staples on it before, and it's not healed all the way.
I wouldn't have opened the door when daddy's on scene because she's going to start yelling all these obscenities and making it sound way worse than what it was. And he's going to make her believe she did no wrong. And of course, because he's been in this position before when she was 12 and probably throughout her entire life, he's going to start freaking out thinking that she's innocent and did no wrong. And then it's going to escalate from there.
On what?
This one.
Okay.
I got a phone call to her manager or something kept getting into her face.
She was
told the manager that she was going to call her f***ing dad. And that's when he said he was calling the cops and took it as a threat. Okay, but he doesn't have no right. He doesn't need to be up in her face.
Okay, well, and that's what she's saying. This is actually both their stories. Is she was told because they had no customers to clean,
Okay.
and she said no. He said, we talked about this. There's nobody here.
They've been having
You're
problems with
cleaning.
this guy for the last 3 weeks.
So they said, okay,
She's
you're
an employee,
terminated.
dude.
And we want her to leave. She said,
He's
you have
the
to leave. She said,
manager.
I'm not leaving. Say,
It's her
You have
boss.
to leave. They don't want you here. And we need your information. You're not welcome back. She refused to get the information, and then she started fighting my officers.
Like I said, if you stay like that, it won't put more pressure on your wrists and shouldn't be so bad.
That's where we're at.
Should I talk to her?
Can't wait to hear what she tells him.
He'll put the window down a little bit so you can talk.
What happened?
He told me to clean his phone, and I told him no.
Calm down.
Then he wanted to break me up and slam me up against the glass and all.
Who?
The police.
Okay. Haley, stop. Did they ask you your name? Why didn't you just tell them your name?
I told him my name.
Who's the manager that keeps getting in your face?
Jesse.
His name is Jesse? So how did it happen? What happened?
Great.
What do you do? Ask you to clean?
He want to get smart and talk about something. You can grab a rag and grab this whole.
He's your manager. This is how you know she's got a problem with authority. She can't even respect her manager enough to do what she's told while at work under his employment. And it escalates to this because she was told to do something within her job description. The entitlement is what got us here, ladies and gentlemen.
To clean this off.
Well, why are you fighting with the officers?
I wasn't fighting with them.
Why's your neck all red?
Because they slammed me up against the glass.
Don't fight, don't argue with them, please. They had more charges against you lately. We'll take care of this. Don't worry about it.
All right, so because obviously you heard what we're calling for, and she's 18. We're telling you this as a courtesy. You understand that? I understand. She's being charged with obstructing ID and then resisting. Okay, so she's going to go to jail for that. You'll be able to go down there and post bond, or she can post bond. She's got cash on the person or something like that. It's up to her. You want to take her belongings? You want to give your stuff to him as far as whatever else? So that way he's left.
I'm surprised there's no like protective plastic or metal over these rear windows because people love to just slide on their backs and start kicking.
Okay. So is it still over here?
Yeah.
What did you say his name was?
Jesse.
Okay.
You're not going inside right now, are you? Let's not do that.
I just want 1 second.
Let's not do that.
Sir,
I wait till you guys leave, dude.
Okay.
You don't need to go too for some stupid shit.
I'm this man.
I understand.
You guys don't understand
We've
This guy's
dealt
been with both my daughters now for the last month. He wants to act like he's tough. We'll act like
so why
he's
don't they
tough.
quit?
Is that their way to go, or get a hold of his boss? You know what I mean? Get a hold of his boss. Let him know the issues.
Oh, he's a district manager, so he's pretty high up the ladder.
Well, there's people out of him.
All that's going to end up happening under the current
I know. I'll go to
situation
jail. I
and
understand.
we don't really want that either, because then you do no good for anybody at that point.
So, I understand.
There's different ways to approach it. Let's pick one of those different ways today, because this is
They're
enough for you
handling
guys
this
to deal with
very
for
well,
today, right?
in my opinion.
Agreed?
Yep.
Okay, fair enough. I appreciate that.
The weed.
She had money on her or
The
something
weed?
like that.
I'll take the weed.
You want to destroy the weed, or we want to do the weed?
Give it to me.
There's two baggies.
I mean, it's not against the law, right?
Well, yeah, it's got to be in an approved container. I mean, you're not at
I
home,
understand.
so just destroy it later. What do you want to do?
I don't need to deal with it.
I'll take it.
All right, we're going to switch some handcuffs on me, okay? You want to
That's
step on
like,
out?
I need to blow off some steam. Give me that weed.
You had what, staples, stitches in it from how long ago?
Like 2 months ago.
It's all healed up and stuff now, though, right?
Sir,
No,
could you
it's
just do me a
still
favor and just, being that close to me? I understand. Hey, listen, okay? I don't know what your intent is, okay? I don't need you right on my back.
Okay. But he politely asked you to step back, so he doesn't need to calm down. He asked you politely, correct? He just did not want you that
I
close.
told you this is a courtesy that you're even being involved in this, because she's 18. Who's
Right there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Just
the
gonna put him in
parents
the
don't
front,
need to be
okay?
involved
Fair
when
enough?
it's an
Done
adult.
fighting? Sorry, I apologize. What do you mean, sir?
I get that emotions are high. I get that it's a lot to deal with, especially since you guys have had past issues with the same person. And
It's only been a month, dude. You got my number right here? Well, it doesn't matter. Just go. It's going to be a few hours, and I'll come down and get you out, okay? All right. Thank you. Yep.
All right, interesting call. That's about all I got for you. I'll see you in the next one.